Everything whether in my wallet or in my pocket. Hello? Yo. Oh, really? Jenna, you know they are thinking what's coming. One time around. Baby that, baby that, baby that. Baby that, baby that.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. 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 If you're new here, if you're not new here, welcome back to my channel. Last video was a fluke. Okay, I wanted to post something. So what was that? Today is Saturday, the last day in February, 7:59. Call it 8 o'clock. So yesterday I was supposed to go to the beach. I didn't go to the beach yesterday. Today we're going. However, we have one big problem. It's raining. I can't swim. So if something for drama in the water, it's not with me, I cannot swim. We'll be going to Kingston because today I'll be having like a little girls' night with my friends. Going out tonight changes into something regular.
Lock up your bumpers, jump on it. Hello, pum pum, good on your feet. Do everything whether in my wallet or in my pocket. I need to be that, be that, be that, be that. I need to be that, be that, be that. Let them be back, come back, roll your back, swear to God. So we're finished with our lashes. Are they sisters? Are they twins? I don't know. But they're on. And I'm finished with this pack of clusters. I've never finished a cluster before because normally they have different lengths. I'm gonna like the extremely long lengths them. That one here, however, I want it down to one like all of them are the same. So like there's no specific map on my eye, it's just that they're all the same across the board. This one, however, I have this long time. I'm gonna now buy next cluster until this finish. We're going to use. But that's it. I'm finishing my lashes. Now I'm gonna get something to eat because I'm starving. I'm starving, but I'm probably going to snap first to see. That's the vibe of me I get. Easy but normally my double lashes them just last for like the 3 days of school. I do them like Sunday, but even that me I go out, I'm gonna travel with all of this with me. They're going to last me for like today. Hopefully I'm not drunk and bad. Cause I have a problem. I'm drunk. The world come down. But hopefully yeah. I don't think I'll be. The most I'll be taking from my box is my lip liner and my glass. Well, that's my lip liner. You gotta keep the glass on you. But yeah, we're going to get something to eat now. I feel like I did eat with these. I'm not a pro. I'm learning. I'm in the stage of learning and doing everything for myself. But yeah. And my edges aren't done. We're going to do them probably later when we go out, actually out. The beach is just like a chill thing. There's nothing major about it. If I went yesterday, it would have been a big thing. But so yeah, I just want to go to the beach, so I'm going. And then we're gonna leave for the tour. Kingston is not after 5. My nails them the buy it, them still do. How about carry? I'm gonna carry my super glue in case I catch one store. because time is very sticky for me right now. We need to let go, but we're about to, okay? We're about to. I made it with 40 minutes to spare. Obviously, I'm outside, so I'm gonna try to walk as fast as I can to go in and get dressed. There's a lot of traffic on the road, sadly, because apparently 3 big events I keep. One at Oak Garden, one down at 100, and one over the stadium. And they're like a triangle. Like the formation of each area is like a triangle. So that sucks. But we'll make it. Thank God to my request driver. I tried. We're ready. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here
if I ever meet her, so international, humble like a them no confusion. Pass me everybody.
Darky, darky, no cover darkness. Darky, darky, no. Darky, darky, no. Darkness forever, me. Darky, darky, no. Darky, darky, no.
Straight jeans and me deep ganta. We are real bad man, that's why she love quick. She no want the money, she just want quick. We no need reason for fucking girl. We no need vehicle for fucking girl. Cause we are real. Who can this my dog and survive? Make dark and few glass no rise. Paranoid, this up and now make no nice. What's up? But I tell them we don't fall like.
Dog them a feelings. My dog them a feelings.
this, but now I bought my camera. I'm just coming to say this is the end of this video. See you guys in my next.
My dog them a feelings.
Everybody up. Yeah, give them a update.